Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the exercise 4.2 of chapter 4, cube and cube roots. First of all, let us learn what is cube root. Cube root is the inverse operation of the cube. In general, a number m, it is the cube root of another number n. If m cube equal to n, then this n is the cube root of m. But it is represented by the symbol like this. Thus, 2 cube equal to 8, that is cube root of 8, it is equal to 2. Similarly, 3 cube equal to 27 and the cube root of 27, it is 3. It is the inverse operation, so that's why its cube root, it is 3. Because it can be written as a factor of a 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, so cube root it is equal to 3. Now it's a very important note, cube root of a negative number, it is also a negative. Also, if cube root of x cube is x, then cube root of minus x cube is minus x. That is, if I take the cube root of minus 27, then its answer is minus 3. Because cube root of 27 is 3 and the cube root of negative number, it is a negative and its answer is minus 3. Now, the sum number 1 of exercise 4.2 is find the cube root of each of the following number using prime factorization method. In the square root chapter, we already discussed this method. In the square root, we make the pair of two numbers. Now here, we make the pair of 3 number. But first step, we have to reduce this number into the prime factors. So, 753571. It is divisible by 7. So, when we divide it with 7, we will get the quotient 107653. Again, it is divisible by 7. We get then quotient 15379. Now, again it is divisible by 7. 7 2s are, 7 1s are, 7 9s and 7 7s are 49. Now 2197, it is divisible by 13. 1 6 9s are, 13 13s are and 13 1s are. Now the cube root of 753571, it is equals to 7 into 7 into 7, 13 into 13 into 13. Now we make group of 3 numbers together. Corresponding to 3 7, we write down one number 7. Corresponding to these 3 13, we write down one number 13. Now do the multiplication. 13 7s are 91 and 91 is the cube root of 753571. And the next part is fifth part, 64,000. Again, I reduce it into the prime factor. 64,000. It is divisible by 2. 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 0 0 0. 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 0 0 0. 2 8s are 16, 2 4 0 0 0. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1000. Then 2 500. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2 0. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Then 5 25s are 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Now, cube root of 64,000, it is equals to, now 2 appear the 9 times. So, I write down here 2 9 times. 2 2 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 appears 3 times. So, I write down like this. Now, make the group of 3 numbers. Corresponding to each 3 number, we write down one number 2. Corresponding to the second pair, we write down again 2. Corresponding to this third pair, we write down 2. And corresponding to the fourth pair, that is 5. Now, I multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 5s are 40. So, cube root of 64,000, it is 40. That is your answer. Sum number 2 is find the cube root of each of the following number using successive subtraction of the number of sequence 1 7 19 37 61 91 127 and so on. Now this is your another method and I am solving the fifth part of this sum, that is 1728. Now I will subtract all these numbers from 1728 until we get the answer 0. And in that step we will get the 0. That step it is known as its cube root. Now the question is how these terms comes. These terms comes by using the expression 3n n minus 1 plus 1. N means number of terms. For first term I put here n 1. For second term I put here n 2. Now I calculate the fifth term. So I put n 5 here. 3 5s are 15 and 5 minus 1 is 4. 15 4s are 60 plus 1 it is 61. In this way you can calculate so many terms which we have to subtract it from 1728. Now I subtract these terms one by one. First of all I will subtract 1 from here. I will get 1727. Now 1727, the second term I subtract 7 and the answer is 1720. Third term I subtract 1720, 19 subtract from this term, I will get 1701. Now 1701 minus 37, 1664. 1664 minus 61, 1603. 1603 minus 91. Next term, sixth term is 91. Better also write down the step number. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step. And I subtract 91 from 1603, I will get 1512. Seventh step, 1512 minus 127, it is 1385. Eighth step, 1385 minus 169 and 1216. This is 1216. In the ninth step, 1216 minus the ninth term from the sequence, that is 217, I will get 999. Now, 10th step, 999 minus 10th term is 271 and it is 728. 11th step, 728 minus 331 and I will get 397. And the 12th term is 397 minus 397 because better the 12th term in the sequence is 397. I will get 0. We have to subtract up to when we will get 0. So we will write here as we get 0 in 12 subtraction. So cube root of 1728, it is 12. This is your answer. Sum number third. Estimate the cube root of each of the following perfect cube. And the first part is 405224. But this is the estimation method now. For this, first of all, for given number, we make group of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit. That is 2 to 4, make the group of 3 digits, first group, and last 3 digit, second group. That is, we write it as 405224. This is your first group beta and this is your second group. Now, the first group, write down, the first group 2 to 4 ends with the digit 4. It ends with digit 4. And we know if a cubic number ends with digit 4, then its cube root end with digit 4. Or you can simply say if I do the cube of 4 cube, it is equal to 64. Its cube root, it ends with the digit 4. Cube root of 64, it is equals to 4. It ends with digit 4. So its cube root of the one's digit is 4. Now, we take the second pair 405. Now, take second group 405. Now, beta, see in this table 405 lies between which two numbers? It lies between 405, it lies between 7 cube and 8 cube. 405 lies between 343 and 512. That is in between 7 cube and 8 cube. Now the tens digit of the required cube root. It is the smallest number from these two numbers. And the smallest number is your 7. So the tens digit of the required cube root is 7. Tens digit of required cube root is 7. You have to take the smallest number among these two numbers. So, cube root of 405224, it is your beta tens digit, it is 7, and ones digit, it is 4. So, the cube root of 405224, it is 74. Now, sum number third, the fourth part is, again by using the estimation method, we have to find the cube root of 54872. For this given number, first of all, we make the group of 3 digits starting from the rightmost digit. Now, the first group contains 3 digits 872 and second group contains 2 digits only, and that is 54. Now, the first group 872 ends with the digit 2, and we know if a cubic number ends with digit 2, then its cube root, ends with digit 8, because cube of 2, it is 8, and cube root of 8, it is 2. So its its unit digit is 8. Cube root of 8, it is 2, and its unit digit is 8. So the cube root of the given number, its ones digit is 8. Now I take the second group. Now take second group, and that is 54. Now in this table, just see where this 54 lies. 54 lies between 27 and 64. That is 54 lies between 3 cube and 4 cube. Now I take the smallest number of these two digits, and that is 3, which becomes the tens digit of the required cube root. So you write tens digit of required cube root is 3. This is your tens digit, which is the smallest among these two numbers. So I write cube root of 54872. The tens digit is your 3 and the ones digit is 8. So 38 is the required answer.